Okay, let me just run through this one again. Since I made a mistake, I just want to make sure you understand it. 23, you had to take it into 120 because 23 can't go into 1, it's not big enough. 23 can't go into 12, it's not big enough. So 23 times 5 gave me 115, which is close to 120. Subtract, I get 5, bring down my 5. Then I multiplied 23 times 2 to get 46, which was close. Subtract, I had to borrow. 15 minus 6 is 9, bring down my 9. And then 23 times 4 is not 102, it's 92. So I put in 92, goes in 4 times 92, subtract, I get 7. That leaves me with a remainder of 7 because I'm out of numbers to divide. Okay. 4, 2, 5, 2, 3, 1, divided by 705. Okay. So 705 can't go into 4. 705 can't go into 42. Those numbers aren't big enough. Because the smallest number you're going to multiply 705 by is 1, which is 705. So you have to at least start with a number that's 705 or higher. So 705 can't go into 425 because it's not big enough. But 705 can multiply by something and get something close to 4,252. So that's where you just got to try numbers. So let's try, I'm going to try 5. 25, 0, and 2, 35. Close. Let's try 7. 35, 3, 49. 7 is too much. 5 is probably too low. Let's go with 6. 6 times 5, let's just do it here. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. 6 times 7 is 42. So we get 4230, which is pretty close. Subtract, I get 2, 2, bring down the 3. After you bring down, you ask yourself again, how many times does 705 go into that number? Well, this number is not big enough, so it can't. So that means a 0 is going to go at the top. Bring down your next digit, which is a 1. So now I need a number close to 2231. Well, the smallest one I tried was 5, and that gave me 35, so that was too much. So maybe let's try 3. 15, 1, 21, and that looks like it's going to be the closest. So 21, 1, 5. Subtract through borrowing. This becomes a 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have a remainder of 116. Because we're out of numbers. So why did I put these here? Because if 705 can't go into 4, then nothing can go above that. You put your first number above the last digit of what it goes into. So if I took it into 4252, my first digit needs to be there, my first number. So that's why I put X's there, just to remind myself, don't put anything there. Should have done the same over there.